If you've decided that forming an S Corp is the right step for your business and you want to file it immediately and elect S Corp taxation status so that you can start saving thousands of dollars on that self-employment tax, then I'm going to show you exactly how you can elect S Corp taxation status with the IRS. Hi, I'm Ginny Silver. I'm the founder of the California Entrepreneur Collective and contributor to Entrepreneur Media. I'm going to show you two different methods. One is paid and one is free. But first, you need to make sure that you have evaluated your business's situation and consulted with a tax professional to make sure that you are making the best financial choice for your business. First, make sure that you have already formed an LLC, a limited liability company. You cannot select S Corp taxation status if you have not yet formed an LLC. If you need a fast way to quickly and easily do this, then INCFILE will form your LLC for a $0 fee and only charge you for the state filing fees. The link is in the description down below. First, I'm going to show you the fastest and simplest way to do this, and it's by using a company that I really like called INCFILE. You can click my affiliate link in the description down below in order to access INCFILE, and because it's an affiliate link, I do receive a commission, which helps support the channel so I can create more informative tutorials for you. Over here, we're going to go down to the services area, and then we're going to click View All Services. This is going to then pop up a list of all of the different services that INCFILE offers. So if you need to do something else like form your LLC or get a registered agent, then you can find those here as well. Click on File S Corp Election, and then you're going to go ahead and click that orange button right here to start the process. Now, if you need to use their calculator here to see what the potential tax savings are, you can go ahead and do that. But I do want to note to you, it's really important to understand here that they are not outlining all of the intricacies of the tax calculations here. This calculator doesn't account for the QBI deduction, which is a little different for S Corps, as well as some other tax specifics. And I really want you to consult with a tax professional first. It's really important that you don't just get your information off of YouTube on these important tax decisions. Please contact a tax professional first. Also, make sure that you're prepared to pay yourself a reasonable salary and that you're ready to put yourself on payroll and hire yourself as an employee. So make sure that you have plans for getting a payroll service and the costs that that will incur. First, select your entity type and your state of formation. Then input your company name and select your designator. This is the LLC marker that comes at the end of your business name, and they're going to update that right there. Next, select the date that you formed your LLC or your corporation. And then you're going to note if the IRS has issued you an EIN for your business entity. Next, enter in your company's address details, including your street address, your city, state, and zip code. Select the number of members that your business has and whether or not that member is an individual or a company. Next, you're going to enter in that member's personal information. Lastly, enter in your payment information here. INCFILE is going to charge you a $50 fee for electing S Corp status. Now, if you do not want to pay that fee and you want to do this yourself the old-fashioned way, then you can head over to irs.gov. You're going to be looking for Form 2553. Enter in the business's name, address, city, state, and zip code, as well as your EIN, the date you incorporated, and the state of incorporation. Next, enter in the election effective date. Now, make sure that this is compliant with the IRS's deadline for electing S Corp status. Generally speaking, you must file this paperwork by March 15th of the current tax year in order to be considered an S Corp at tax time. For those of you that have started a new business mid-year, you have 2 months and 15 days from the date of formation to file the S Corporation tax paperwork in order to receive that tax treatment for the rest of the first tax year. So you're going to go through and you're going to check all applicable boxes that apply to your business. Next, you're going to list all shareholders here and add in any additional details, checkboxes, or elections that you need to on this form. Upon completion, you are going to go ahead and submit it to the IRS using the following addresses in accordance with your location.